Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to select device connection, tap on pair new device and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to select the one that you wish to connect to by clicking on it and wait for the pop-up to show up. Now select pair in it and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!